Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Anjum Shafiq, your biology teacher for grade 11 and today I am going to discuss plastids. So let's move to the classboard. So plastids. So dear students, plastids, these are the double membrane bounded mostly pigment containing bodies present only in the plant cells. Are called plastids. Clear? And as far as their types are concerned, so the basic knowledge of plastids you have been taught in grade 9. Now there is some extension. So there are three main types of plastids. That is, number one, chloroplast. Number two, chromoplast. Number three, leucoplast. Here. So these are three major types or the three main types of plastids. So first of all, we will discuss that is the chloroplast. So chloroplast, it is the main double membrane bounded organelle found in the green parts of plants because it is used to impart only green color to the plants. Clear? So chloroplast, chloro is from chlorophyll. They contain an organic green pigment called chlorophyll. Hence, they are called as chloroplasts. Because of this green pigment. Clear? So, chlorophyll. And in the cells, which is used to manufacture the organic sugars by using light energy from sun. Clear? Structure of chlorophyll. Structure of chlorophyll. So as far as its molecular structure is concerned, dear students, it will be studied in detail in chapter number 11, bioenergetics, under the heading of photosynthetic pigments. Clear? उसमें इसका बाकायदा तौर पर डिटेल्ड स्ट्रक्चर है. इंशाल्लाह चैप्टर नंबर 11 में हम डिटेल से स्टडी करेंगे. So as far as the structure is concerned, it consists of a porphyrin head, and a phytol tail. Clear? That is its structure. Just इसके एक डमी ड्रॉ करूंगा क्योंकि चैप्टर नंबर 11 में डिटेल से हमने इसको स्टडी करना है, इसके स्ट्रक्चर को. इसकी एक डमी है, जस्ट in order to clear the concepts. Here is the central atom, metal ion magnesium, which is attached with 4 pyrrole rings. The central atom, clear? It's just a dummy, not the detailed structure. That will be. So this structure, so that is the porphyrin head, and this one is the phytol tail. Just a dummy diagram, not its detailed structure. That will be studied in chapter number 11. Clear? And the tail and the head is responsible for absorbing. It absorbs light, while the tail, it is used to, it is embedded in thylakoids, thylakoid membranes. Clear? Thylakoid membranes. As far as its structure is comparable, as in our book, it is given that the structure of chlorophyll resembles to hemoglobin. इसके हवाले से हम चैप्टर नंबर 2 में पढ़ चुके हैं. That is an iron containing protein that transports respiratory gases, means the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Clear? The only difference between chlorophyll and hemoglobin is that the hemoglobin consists of iron as a central atom, as a central metal, while in the chlorophyll, as you can see over here, there is magnesium. Chlorophyll में central जो atom है, that is magnesium, while in iron in the hemoglobin it's iron. So that is why it is called as the iron containing protein. As far as its diameter is concerned, it ranges the diameter of chloroplast ranges between 4 to 6 micrometers. Clear? So that is an important MCQ as well. Under light microscope, the chloroplast appears to be heterogeneous structures and granules called grana, which are embedded in the matrix. Okay? That is, it's a light microscope structure. But as far as the electron microscope is concerned, so under electron microscope, the chloroplast possess 3 main structures. That is, number 1, the envelope, which is formed by double membrane, clear? It is formed by the double membrane. Number 2 is the stroma, That is basically the fluid present around the thylakoids and it covers major volume of chloroplast. जो स्ट्रोमा है ये मेजर वॉल्यूम जो है क्लोरोप्लास्ट का उसको कवर करता है, मीन्स ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम इसी से मिलकर बना हुआ है. नाउ फॉर स्ट्रोमा, इन स्ट्रोमा there occurs the second phase of photosynthesis. और डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इतना आइडिया ज़रूर होगा आपको कि फोटोसिंथेसिस दो फेजेस में होती है. द फर्स्ट फेज इज द लाइट रिएक्शंस एंड द सेकंड फेज इज द डार्क रिएक्शंस. तो सेकंड फेज जो है ऑफ द फोटोसिंथेसिस, दैट इज the dark reactions occur in the stroma. Clear? In here, and in stroma, the carbon dioxide is fixed into sugars by Calvin cycle. इंशाल्लाह चैप्टर नंबर 11 बायो एनर्जेटिक्स, उसमें इसकी डिटेल्स आएगी. कैल्विन साइकिल जिसको हम सिंपली डार्क रिएक्शन भी कहते हैं या इसको लाइट इंडिपेंडेंट रिएक्शंस भी कहते हैं, ऑल्सो नोन एज द लाइट इंडिपेंडेंट रिएक्शंस. तो ये जो सेकंड स्टेप है फोटोसिंथेसिस का वो यहाँ पर हो रहा है स्ट्रोमा के अंदर. क्लियर? एंड द थर्ड पार्ट इज द thylakoids. Clear? So what are thylakoids? These are flattened vesicles which are stacked in the form of piles to form grana or granum, singular, and grana is plural. As far as its function is concerned, the thylakoids, the membrane of thylakoid have the photosystems. And what are photosystems? These are the aggregations of photosynthetic pigments. Like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and carotenoids. Clear? And also The chlorophyll is embedded in the membranes of these thylakoids. Clear? And in thylakoids, there occurs the first phase of photosynthesis. Clear? That is light reactions. Clear? और इसके मज़ीद जो डिटेल्स हैं it will be shared in chapter number 11 bioenergetics. So dear students, hopefully आज का लेक्चर आपको क्लैरिफाई हो गया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में और कंप्लीट करेंगे प्लास्टिड्स के टॉपिक को. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.